Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to automate trades on Kucoin Grid Bot. So I just tap on my Kucoin account and officially logged in, and I will just move in the trading bot. So when it's load, and from here you will see the recommended for you is the spot grid. So here is the grid strategy. If you read it, to create it like future grids in advance. So I will just tap on this spot grid. So from here is you can just select the coin and to profit in USDT. So but right now I will just in Ethereum versus USDT. And if you set the auto, the parameters of 7-day PNL backtesting is 7.33%, and grid profit annual percentage rate is 44.56%. So here is the price of your Ethereum, and place order is 13, and profit per grid 1.9% to 2.58%. So minimum investment in this automate spot grid in total 10 USDT, but right now I have no in my USDT. But when you have, you can just invest it from here and just tap on the create button, and it will be automatically created for your auto trading bot. So the future grid bot effectively makes profit irrespective of the market direction. Discover how to generate passive income with the Kucoin futures grid trading bot. So one is way is that, and as a crypto trader, you are always looking for an edge. The world of crypto trading can be exciting, but you may find it challenging to stay ahead of the curve of the daily market. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.